Good morning, everybody. It's Tuesday, March 3rd, 2020. I just want to give you a quick update on all the cryptocurrency prices of today. Okay, we're gonna go over the prices of the top cryptocurrencies today, how much they've gone up in percentages. We're gonna start off with Bitcoin at $8,833.47. This is actually up 2.23%. The equivalent is in US dollars. Ethereum is $228.50, up 3.3%. Dash is $88.75, up 2.4%. And Litecoin is $60.81, up 4% from yesterday. We're gonna be doing this segment every single day, keeping you updated on the current prices of cryptocurrency. I hope you can join us back tomorrow morning, same time, every day.